Hi lovelies, how are we? Join me in the kitchen and let's make a spicy sauce known as Shito in Ghana. This dip adds a fiery kick to a variety of dishes such as jollof rice, white rice, gari and Shito, just to mention a few. To begin, I will add 2 chopped shallots, 1 bulb of garlic cloves, 7 green finger chilies, ginger, 6 chopped onions, some black peppercorns, a bit of ground white pepper, and 3 cups of sunflower oil. I will go ahead and blend these ingredients into a smooth consistency. So this is the consistency I am looking for. Let's set it aside and heat up the oil. In my pot, I just added 3 cups of sunflower oil. While I wait for the oil to heat up, I will add a bit of the blended mixture over the meat. This shito is going to be extra delicious. Let's mix till it's well combined and cover the pot with its lid. At this point, I will go in with the blended mixture. Make sure to stir well and allow it to fry for about 7 minutes over medium-low heat. So after about 7 minutes, go in with the tomato paste. So here I have my tomato paste. Let's add some of it in the pot. Then I will go ahead and stir well. You want to let it fry for about 6 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent it from burning. So as you keep stirring, you will notice that the mixture will change in color. So the longer it fries, the darker it becomes. After about 6 minutes, the mixture should be well fried. Here I have 1 cup of shrimp powder, which I just added in the pot. At this point, lower the heat and keep stirring. Once it's well combined, I will go in with 2 cups of herring powder and mix again. So if you look closely, you will notice that the mixture has become thick in consistency. This is because the mixture has absorbed all the oil. All you need to do is add a little bit of oil to hydrate the sauce. So yes, when making shito, make sure you have enough oil because it absorbs a lot of it, okay? So as you can see, I have already started frying the meat for the shito, which will take this dip to another level. I love me some spiciness in my food, and so I will go in with 8 tablespoons of chili powder. So don't think the spiciness is just too much. It just depends on the particular chili powder you are using. So yes, I went in with 8 tablespoons of chili powder. And for those who have never tried this recipe before, when you're adding your chili powder, you might seem to add a lot, but then when it cools down, you will realize that the spice level has gone down. And then I will also go in with half teaspoon of curry powder, which is optional to use. This chili powder is spicier than the one I used before. So yes, I had to add more to it, to the shito or sauce. The meat is beautifully fried. Let's go ahead and set it aside. Allow me to add 4 shrimp cubes for flavor and of course salt to taste. Then mix till it's well combined. Once it's well combined, I will add the fried meat and mix again. So you can enjoy the shito with banku, jollof rice, kenke, whatever food you desire. Shito is ready. Thanks so much for watching and stay blessed.